All right, guys, so now I'm going to show you how to fussy cut with these templates. And it's really super easy. I decided to show you a stripe print because that's what I use to make one of my Moroccan tiles quilts, and I really love the effect that stripes gives a quilt, and especially when using it with solid colors. But I didn't want to just kind of willy-nilly cut the stripes. However, I wanted to make the best use of the fabric print. And so whenever I cut them out, I decided that I wanted the point of my template 2, which is going to be right here. These marked lines are where the seam is going to fall. I wanted that point to be black so that whenever those 4 points met, there was like a big black X that kind of came out from the center. So kind of think about what effect you want to achieve and then go from there. So these little drilled out holes are good reference points to look at. So let's say I want to cut my fabric here and I want these stripes going straight across my template this way. So I'm going to look at these corner points, and this one's kind of situated right in the middle of a white piece. And then if I come over here and look, it should be situated in the same white piece. So that's what these templates are great for, to double check yourself. So if I run my pen along this white line, that is not where my corner is, right? So I need to reposition until these points are symmetrical, which it looks like it's going to be kind of right in the middle of a black stripe. So I've got my point here situated on the corner of a black, and then my 2 corner points out here, they're both in the center of a black piece. And so now I'm ready to go ahead and cut. And this is where it's really important, I think, to use some kind of template stabilizer like the washi tape or the True Grips that you can buy. Some kind of sliding preventative on the templates. So that's what that's going to look like. And I'm going to cut out a template 1 and kind of show you the same thing. And this is the selvage here. So I know I told you guys that you want your straight lines to be going parallel and perpendicular to the selvage, but when we're fussy cutting, we're kind of ignoring that rule. And that's totally okay. Just know that you're going to have to maybe work a little bit harder to keep these bias cuts where they're not supposed to be from not distorting. So if you want to start your fabrics before you fussy cut, that's something I would highly recommend doing. I didn't do that, but I was very careful to not overhandle my fabric when I cut it. I kind of pinned it, sewed it, and pressed it, and I made sure I didn't distort it. But so then you'll take your template 1 and you'll line the point up. Like, let's say I want this to end up, this corner to have white in it, and then I want to line these reference points up as well. So this one's sitting right at the intersection of a black and a white, and that doesn't match up. It's supposed to be here, right? So we need to move that just a little bit. Great, and so now that's in the middle of the same white line. That's exactly what we want. So we can go ahead and cut that piece out. And I'm hanging onto this template really tight because I don't have any washi tape on the back of it. All right, so we've got our template pieces cut out now, and basically that's all you need to know about the templates, guys. I just wanted you to kind of be familiar with why they were there. It's a great way to save time. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, or you can comment on an Instagram post, or however it is that you found me. And I can't wait to see you guys make your own Moroccan tiles quilts. I'm really stoked about it. So make sure that you share your progress with me. Thanks.